Hello, my further video about preposition. Preposition is a long chapter, so I have to carry on with preposition. Okay. So next, our kinds of preposition is being done. I mean, four types of preposition we have. Now we are dealing preposition as in detail. So some preposition I had told you the words which is at the same time preposition at the same time as an adverb. Uh, mm, these things were dealt and. I had also told you about the preposition of time and place and adverbial preposition. This way I had told you. So now I am moving forward. I must say that there are some verb actually. There are some verb which is a verb, but when it is supported by a preposition, it gives a different level of meaning as a verb. Right? Suppose that over. This over is a preposition. Right? Over is a preposition. Means ऊपर से कुछ होना. तो over is a preposition. Clear? If it comes come over. Here over is an adverb. Clear? After main verb it comes come over. It is an adverb here. Third, if I am telling you overcome your sorrows, never it comes as overcome your happiness. No, never does it come like this. So overcome your sorrows मतलब दुख से ऊपर आओ, तकलीफ को से ऊपर आओ, अब तकलीफ पे काबू पाओ. This it seems like this. Overcome your sorrows, overcome your griefs, overcome your emotions. Here over is a preposition. When it attached with a verb, it gives you a different meaning of a verb. It makes a different verb. This is also a role of a preposition, my dear. Preposition, if it attached with main verb, not all the preposition or all the main verb, but there are some main verbs and some preposition. When it becomes attached with each other, it gives a different level of meaning as a verb. Overlook. Over is itself a upper type. Over is, and look is a verb. Look is a verb na. Look at this place in this way. Look is a verb. When it connects with overlook, what does it convey? It convey ki ignore. Overlook this matter, consciously or unconsciously. Overlook. Right? What does it mean? It is attached with preposition. This verb attached with preposition, and it has given a different level of meaning of a verb. Getting my point? Uphold. Hold means to maintain something. Up is up, ऊपर. Uphold means उसको पकड़े रहो. Uphold the matter. Uphold it till further order comes. Uphold. Withdraw. With is a preposition. Draw means draw this. Drawing some lines or draw some ideas. This way, draw is a verb. I am drawing some ideas. I draw some ideas. Draw is a verb. Withdraw is coming. Withdraw means taking out. Withdraw कर लिया. I have withdrawn my. Please do withdraw your order. Taking something back. Taking some order or this way, taking it back. That is what withdraw. Overflow. Yes, overflow. Over and then flow is a verb. overflow means separately it gives you two level of meaning, but coming at one, overflow means it is overflow, nali is Anika drains is overflowing, or my emotion overflows before you, this way, and this way overflows. So even a verb supported by a preposition, there are some verbs which is supported by some preposition, it gives a different level of meaning as a verb. Clear? Now there are some verbs which are even supported by preposition, or it doesn't support for with preposition. It be remain like this, like boast. Boast means घमंड में, बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना, घमंड में. तो he boasted of his accomplishments, or he boasts his accomplishment. He boasts or he boasted of, whether it is supported with a preposition or it doesn't support by a preposition. It is a verb that gives the meaning at the same level. Means there are some word which is a verb, there are some verb, actually not word, verb. There are some verbs which is supported by a preposition, attached by a preposition, it gives you a next level meaning as a verb. There are some verb which is whether it is supported by a preposition or whether it is not supported by a preposition, it remains the same as its meaning. This is called the second aspect of preposition. Clear? And now coming simple preposition starts dealing with. So take in and at. We all know in comes for a big place and at comes for a small place. We stayed in Mumbai. Suppose that we stayed in Mumbai, right? And at for a small place and in for a big place, metro city like. But the sentence giving to you, you should take care. And suppose that if I am telling separately about Mumbai and Muzaffarpur, then definitely in Mumbai at Muzaffarpur, right? But if I am telling in reference to Mumbai with a country, then Mumbai at Mumbai. Suppose that our plane is stopped at Mumbai on the way to Iran. Our plane is stayed at Mumbai on the way of Iran. Means what? Mumbai is here in comparison of Iran. Iran is a country and Mumbai is a big city, metro city. So here Mumbai is junior place than Iran. That's why at will come before Mumbai and Iran will come with in preposition to Iran. Iran will come itself, but Iran is not. No preposition comes before Iran. On the way to Iran, to is coming here. In and at is not coming before Iran, but Mumbai is comparative here as with Iran. So that's why preposition at will come before Mumbai, because Mumbai is in comparison to Iran, right? And if I am separately telling that I am living in Mumbai, means in Mumbai, so Mumbai is itself coming, so Mumbai is a big place, in preposition will come before Mumbai. Getting my point? This is all about in and at. It is a confirmed truth that in is coming before the metro city and at is coming before the small place, but it depends upon the sentence. Some preposition can change its place. Okay, but group of activities. If a place we are talking about where a group of activities happen, so at would be come as a preposition there. Suppose that market, uh, suppose that party, है ना? Party is a group activity place. Market is a group activity place. So have you seen Shobha at the party? No, not in the party. In would come specifically at the party because group of activities happened there. There were not many people at the meeting because meeting is again a group of activity, again a place of group of activity. I saw him at the bakery shop. It is also a place of group of activity. So this group of activity, where does it happen? Wherever it happens, at preposition would come for that. Clear? Now in preposition would come before the name of we use in with the name of streets and at with the house number. So definitely street is a long way and house is a definite place. Getting my point? House is a small name before the street. In the street there are lots of houses. So in will come before street name. Very simple. And house is a centrally located place in a small number, right? I mean, while it is my house, it is so small, a fixed place. So at would come before house name, and in will come before lane name. Clear? And if we are when we are talking about a plane surface, plane is static surface. Plane is static surface. On preposition will come, like cat is sitting on the table this way, and my book is on the table. Till is used, till preposition is used of time, and to preposition is used before place. Till is used before time and to is used before place. He slept till 8 o'clock. Means what? Till 8 o'clock is time. 8 o'clock is time. Till is a preposition, comes for time. He walked to the end of the road or to the end of the street. So it is, to is coming as a place. He used to walk to the end of the street, or he walked to the end of the street. So he walked to the end of the street means what? End of the street place. And he slept till 8 o'clock means of time. Clear? With and by. With preposition comes with an instrument, and by preposition comes with and comes before the person who is using that instrument. As an agent, you can say. They say he killed 2 birds with 1 shot. Means एक गोली से. He killed 2 birds with 1 shot. With 1 shot means 1 shot is an instrument, and the with is coming just before instrument. Clear? He was stabbed by a lunatic with a dagger. By a lunatic means by a mad person. It's before person, by is used, and with a dagger means dagger is an instrument, so with is used before. Clear? Now comes since. Since is a time, preposition of time. It comes with perfect tense. You know this. It perfect tense. It comes with a verb. and second, it since gives you a point of time meaning. Point of time, point, जैसे I have eaten nothing, I have eaten nothing since yesterday. Yesterday is here as a point of time, as a point of time. Yesterday is here, so I have eaten nothing since yesterday as a point of time. Clear? He has been ill since Monday last. He has been ill since Monday last, means point of time Monday last. This way. And in before a noun, if it comes, it gives you a meaning as a period of time, period, the full period. And within means in the period. Suppose that I am telling you ki I will come in an hour. In an hour means if I am telling you I will come in an hour and I will come within an hour. In an hour means 1 hour will definitely take. 1 hour will definitely be taken. Might be a bit before, might be a bit less. But if I will tell that I will come within an hour means less than 1 hour. मतलब it will not cross more than 1 hour. Within an hour मतलब 1 घंटे के अंदर में ही आ जाना है मेरे को लौट के. 1 घंटे के अंदर में ही लौटना है. This is the difference of meaning. Both conveys the period. In an hour and within an hour, but there is a meaning difference. In an hour means in an hour I will come in an hour means in an hour and within an hour 1 घंटे के लगभग में I will come within an hour. 1 घंटे के अंदर में हम आ जाएंगे. And I will come in an hour, 1 घंटे में हम आएंगे, मतलब might be a bit more or bit less, right? And beside you know बगल में, ठीक है, beside भी and besides, ठीक है. Beside means by the side of, जैसे you are sitting beside me, Ram is sitting beside me, or Ram used to sit beside me, this way. But if I am telling you besides, only S, so only S if I would add, then it will give you the meaning up to the next level, like this. Besides pen, I have a copy also, means addition short meaning, addition type meaning. Besides a pen, एक कॉपी के अलावा मेरे पास एक कलम भी है. What does it mean? Means कि it adds with a copy, it adds a meaning of a pen also. Right now, so besides a pen or besides a copy, I have a pen also. So it gives you an addition type meaning. And beside means sitting by, beside means he is sitting beside me, मेरे बगल में बैठा, at one level meaning. And second level, if you tell that besides, only S if you will add, it gives you the meaning of addition. इसके अलावा ये भी है, so it gives you an addition sort of meaning. Clear? So this much is sufficient for today, I think. Okay, bye.